This wash kinda like I ain't gonna say it's throw it off or no shit, but like they better not fuck my shit up. I'll tell you that. Better not fuck my shit. No, I'm playing. They're gonna take care of me. I'm real mad though. That last person, they really messed up the video, man. I'm gonna have to take that part out of the video, but it's cool. I ain't tripping. They can't drive. It's not me, it's them. So I ain't even gonna trip about that. God damn. I should start taking my car. My shit still in drive. Now I'm in neutral though. This is my first time coming to this car wash, bro. Hopefully they get me right. I know my shit was dirty as so, you know. Damn, you know when you a kid from the ghetto, you know, like me, going to the car wash, bro, that should be like going to Hawaii. You know, it's not every day you get to sit enclosed, you know, get a hit with soap, bubbles, and water and shit. Fucking fast ass wind and shit. Yeah, that shit just like going to Hawaii, bro. Tell me it's not. They charge $12 for the wash though. $12 for the wash, that's kind of crazy. Everywhere else that I've been, they charge like 10 bucks. You know, 10 bucks, I could fucks with that. That's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Tell me this shit not like Hawaii though. Just look at that water and shit, bro. Blowing my shit up. Y'all already know I'm gonna have to show y'all once I get home what it's looking like. Yeah, getting hit with the wind and shit. Shit smooth, bro. Smooth little experience, you know what I'm saying? 177 miles of range, give me the green lights. Relax, I'm so on yellow. I would say relax. I would show y'all, but I ain't gonna show y'all. I'll probably show y'all next time though. As soon as I get out this bitch, I'm bending this corner and I'm fucking skirting the, come on, man. I'm out, I got my shit in drive. Now I'm ready to get home now. Motherfuckers can't drive out here, bro. Niggas almost hitting me and shit. God damn. And I hate when they do it and they try to make it seem like it's your fault. They want to make you be at fault, bro, but people out here, I have my driver's license. My car is insured, bro. Any given moment, bro. Like, it looks like they done did some shit up there. At any given moment, if you are in your vehicle, bro, god damn, if you in your vehicle, bro, again, if you are in your vehicle, bro, any given moment, you see a couple stoplights ahead of you, I don't know, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 cars, bro. There is a good chance that I'm gonna say about 10%, bro. I'm gonna go out on a limb. I didn't look this up, but I'm gonna say at least a solid 10% of drivers, bro. A solid 10% of drivers are not insured, uninsured, unlicensed, got no business being on the road, but they not law-abiding citizens, so, you know, the world revolves around them. They on their own program. You know? They ain't listening to nobody. They doing things their own way. Like, look at these dumbasses right here trying to get over it. I'm gonna let you go just so you don't risk hitting my shit. Get your dumb ass over it. Like, damn, man. But nah. I'll show y'all how to get active out here. Fuck what y'all talking about. But hey, we got some inclement weather coming in. We got a damn snowstorm coming in. It's supposed to be like 3-4 inches of snow. It's icing over. They done canceled all the schools out here. Little nephew, he ain't got no school tomorrow. Might have to go scoop him up. We gonna see, man. But nah, if it's gonna be ice and stuff over the road, bro, I can't wait to bring y'all this POV. I'm gonna have to bring y'all that POV. I might have to bring y'all a nighttime POV. I know they be saying out here like, oh, it's snowing and stuff like that. Don't be out on the roads, bro. But hey, if it's some snow out there on the road, man, and if I could give y'all fellas a view, my ladies and gents, if I could give y'all a view, no, I'm not talking YouTube view. I'm just talking about just a beautiful view. You know, like how I was just saying, shit, the damn car wash, that shit like Hawaii, bro. If I could give y'all a decent view, something like that, bro, you know I'm gonna do it. You know I'm gonna do it. It's not even a question. You could ask, but I mean, you already know the answer, so it's really a rhetorical question, like. But yeah, ain't no school tomorrow. We out here. Motherfuckers ain't got no school. I'm gonna go see what the nephew doing. Kick it with him, man. Gotta go see what my nephew doing, cause hey, last time I heard, I don't know. If you got nephews and stuff, man, you know, you gotta check in with your nephew, or not check in with them, but like you gotta check in on them. You gotta check on your nephews. Last I heard, bro been sneaking out the crib, you know, coming home late, you know. I don't know what he doing out there, man. I wasn't doing that when I was his age. He's 17. I didn't start sneaking out the crib till I was 18. Really like a week before I was supposed to leave for college, because at that point I was like, forget it. What's the worst that could possibly happen? I'm leaving for college in about a week anyways, you know? So, I mean, just got to check in on him, see where his head at. Because, I mean, you never know. But, yo, we out here. Like I was talking to the lady back at the car wash. My car is on Turo. If you ain't seen that video, make sure you go check that out. Give it a like. Last time I checked, it was at like 400 views. Which, honestly, bro, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, especially if you're still watching at this point. I appreciate y'all watching my videos, leaving comments, good or bad, man. The haters, definitely appreciate y'all. Y'all probably helping out the kid the most, you know? But, I mean, I'm just grateful, bro. I hit 1,000 subs not long ago, like less than a month ago. And now I'm probably at the time of this recording, I'm probably at like 1,058, 1,059, closing in on 1,060, you know? This is really about to be one of the quickest 100 subs I done picked up since I hit 1,000. So that really been like motivating me. And I really feel like once you hit 1,000 subs, a lot of people gonna be more inclined. What the fuck is you doing? A lot of people gonna be more inclined to support your videos, watch your videos, stuff like that. It sucks that or it don't suck that you gotta, you know, have supporters, have subscribers and stuff like that, or like at least 1,000 before people start messing with you. But it is what it is, bro. It's the way of the land, bro. So again, people that be supporting my channel, appreciate y'all the long way. All right, the haters, y'all keep coming back. Y'all keep coming back, commenting that dumb shit y'all be commenting, and the videos, they gonna be here. I don't know where the haters are gonna be at, but I'll tell you one thing, the video's gonna be here. All right. But yeah, man. Damn, if we can't get can we get a green light up here, bro? Let's sit there for like a minute. I need to hop on that damn E-Wave for y'all boys. And now the arrow red, bro. This shit crazy. It's really why traffic be backed up and shit, but we just out here vibing, bro. Just out here vibing. Dropping these videos, you know, dropping these hits. Doing a little 1-2, you know. You know. But yo, y'all seen the car wash? Gave y'all a little update on the Turo business. I gave y'all a little update on the weather and shit. I mean, if it's anything else y'all want to see in these videos, bro, comment down below. Because, you know, I'm looking at every single comment. If you got a special request, bro, You want me to give a shout out to a loved one, something like that, anything like that, you know? I know I'm not like Shannon Sharp or like Stephen A. Smith, you know, Quan, you know, something like that. I'm not that big yet, bro. I'm not that big yet, bro. But, hey, I'm responding to all the comments. I'll give somebody a shout out, man. It ain't nothing to me to shout somebody out, bro. If you got a channel and you want to shout out, bro, just comment down below. I'll give your channel a shout out, bro. I'll go check out your content. I'll see what your channel hitting for, bro. Damn, we got a yellow arrow again. I swear we not getting out of this light, bro. Y'all, I know y'all tired of just looking at this damn Dodge steering wheel, man. Not moving. Need to get that bit moving, man. What the fuck is you talking about? Okay, here we go. We making a little bit of progress up here now. My car better be clean, bro. I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around once I get home. I've been sitting here for like 5 minutes. I don't know what the hell's going on. Like, seriously. Here we go. Didn't make it through the light again, but at least we like next up, bro. So who knows? Maybe another minute, another 2 minutes. Who knows? Hopefully we able to get out this bitch. Damn. We stuck in traffic so long. Shit, lady about to spark up a cigarette back there. Bro, to my left, he look like he about to light up a cigarette too. Shit. He about to light one up. Fumbling with the AC and shit. Bro just sneezed. He ain't lighting up no cigarette. He hitting a little vape though. I don't do that shit. I don't be hitting no vapes. Fuck that shit. We finally got the green motherfucking arrow, bro. And you know what that mean? You know what that mean? Let me chill. But I love this car, bro. Love this car. Phenomenal everyday driver, bro. Couldn't have picked a better everyday driver, bro. Got the size, the safety, the style, the looks, you know. The sound, you know. Damn near a Hellcat shit. Fuck is you talking about? I'm trying to flow this bitch. I ain't even gonna cap. But not right here, though. I'll speed up, though. The law boys, they do be out here, bro, but I ain't, you know, I ain't ran into none yet. And I'm gonna keep this shit rolling, too, because I know y'all want that longer content, too. Longer content, that's what I enjoy making, you know. So, you know, anything I could do for my subs, people that be watching my videos, bro, I'm gonna drop these videos for y'all. Y'all really just kicking it with me, and I'm really just kicking it with y'all. So, like I was saying when I was sitting at that goddamn stoplight, bro, I appreciate y'all the long way. People gonna hate, because, I mean, shit, it's either you with us or you against us. It's one or the other. Everybody not gonna be with you. Everybody not gonna be a supporter. So, you know, unfortunately, the majority of people, they got to be classified as haters and shit. But we don't worry about them too much. You know, we don't mind them too much. They do what they do. I'm gonna do what I do. Get your dumbass over here. Now it's game time. I only got up to 58. Driving a Dodge Charger like I don't love my life. Ugly. Once I get up here, I'm gonna rip that hoe. Y'all just wait. Wait till I get up there. Wait till I get up there, man. Little Ford Fusion, what is that? Little Chevy Cruze, Nissan Sentra. That's what that is right there. Goddamn Nissan Sentra. Get your bitch ass out the way. Oh, not even, it's a Versa. But you know what time it is? Game time! What the fuck is y'all talking about? I ain't even tripping about the gas, bro. Tripping about that. You know how fun that is, bro. Look like they ain't even come pick that shit up, man. They supposed to come pick up the trash and shit. Niggas ain't even come pick that shit up, bro. But nah, I got y'all down real quick. Let me pick y'all up. I'm gonna go into the garage. All right, I'm going into the garage. I'm about to hop out there, bitch. Hopping out there, bitch. I just took it to the wash. Let's see what it hit for. Wheels still dirty as shit for the most part. They did get a little bit cleaned up, but I mean it's still dirty, bro. So I'm gonna have to come back. I'm gonna have to scrub them, really. It's really what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to come back and scrub that shit. I'm gonna have to buy some like tire cleaner or something like that, you know? But hey, not bad. It's clean, not bad. But not clean enough, bro. Should be a little cleaner. But it's cool though. Not bad though. I mean shit. It is what it is.